If your PC or laptop's drive C is running out of space, just like the one that you see on the screen, and you want to know how to add certain amount of space from drive D, well, good news because I'm going to show you the easiest way how to do it. Hi, I'm Zeus Longkayara and you're watching ZLX TV. So today's video, guys, I'm going to share to you how to add a certain amount of space from your drive D to your drive C, which is already running out of space. But before we go right into it, if this is your first time to visit my channel, please consider subscribing by clicking the red button below and the bell notification icon so that you will always get notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, so let's go straight to the step-by-step on how to do it. Okay, step 1. Go to this PC icon and then right click and then click manage. Okay, and then the drop down menu here will be shown and then go straight to the disk management and then click on it. Okay, and then you will see this partition here. This is the drive C and then this is the drive D. All you have to do, guys, is just right click on the drive D and click delete volume. Okay, but before you delete, guys, make sure to save your important file from your drive D to your external drive. Okay, don't forget that. Okay, so let's click delete volume. Okay, and then click yes. Okay, now this time you will see here that the drive D became unallocated. It's labeled as unallocated. Now let's go to the drive C. So this time you are going to right click on the drive C and then extend volume. Okay, extend volume and then click next, and then you will see here, guys, you will see here, select the amount of space in MB. Okay, so our available space from the drive D is 249.20 GB. Let's say I just want to add extra 50 GB to my drive C. So 50 GB is equivalent to 50,000 MB. Okay, so let's type 50,000. Okay, it's up to you, guys. You can decide on how much space you want to add to your drive C. Okay, so mine will be 50,000 MB. Okay, then click next and then click finish. You will notice here, guys, the drive C is still red. Okay, so just right click here and then click refresh, and now the 50 GB is now added to your drive C or to my drive C. The problem now here is the drive D is gone. All you have to do, guys, is go back to this disk management and then choose this unallocated area again and then right click and then click new simple volume and then click next. Just click next, and then for the drive name I will still use drive D. Okay, click next and then don't change anything from this field. Okay, and then click next and then click finish. Okay, now the drive D is here again. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. That's it. It's that easy. Okay, I hope this video helped you, and thank you for joining me and thank you for watching. And once again, if this is your first time to visit my channel, please consider subscribing by clicking the red button below and the bell notification icon so that you will always get notified every time I upload a new video like this. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. See you next time.